Have you noticed your dog acting differently, barking more, chewing things up, or even hiding? These behaviors might be signs of stress, but how can you tell for sure? Don't worry, we'll help you spot the signs of stress in dogs and explain why it's important to address it early. This video will focus on recognizing the behavioral signs of stress. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of your dog's emotions and how to strengthen your bond with them. Let's start with something important: differentiating stress from excitement. A lot of times, dog owners misinterpret behaviors that could be signs of stress as excitement. For example, jumping, tail wagging, and panting can indicate both stress and excitement. So, how can you tell the difference? Well, excited dogs are typically more playful, think bouncing around or eagerly engaging with toys and people. Stressed dogs, on the other hand, might show signs of withdrawal, nervous pacing, or tense tail wags. Context is key. If your dog is acting out of character, check the situation to determine if they're excited or feeling stressed. Another important factor is recognizing your dog's individual personality. Every dog is different. Some dogs are naturally more anxious, while others are calmer. An anxious dog might pant and pace when stressed, while a calmer dog might go completely still or hide. Learning what's normal for your dog will help you spot when something feels off. The more you observe your dog's usual behaviors, the easier it will be to notice when they're under stress. Now, let's dive into some common stress signs. First, one of the most obvious signs of stress is excessive barking or whining. If your dog suddenly starts barking nonstop, especially in situations they've handled calmly before, it could be a cry for help. This might happen during car rides or when there's a sudden change in routine. Another big indicator is body language. If your dog starts pacing back and forth, or you notice their ears are pinned back and their tail is tucked, they're probably feeling anxious. Even something as simple as licking their lips repeatedly or yawning in a stressful situation can show they're not relaxed. Small, consistent behavior changes, like barking more or refusing food, can signal stress. Pay attention to patterns, and if the changes persist, take action. Recognizing stress early is crucial. Prolonged stress can lead to health problems like digestive issues or a weakened immune system. It can also result in behavioral problems like aggression, excessive barking, or destructive chewing. Stress, it can create a disconnect between you and your dog, making it harder to communicate and bond. By being proactive, you help your dog stay healthier and happier, strengthening this special bond you share. Once you know how to recognize stress, let's talk about how to address it. First, create a calm environment. Try to minimize noise and chaos around your dog. This could mean keeping loud appliances off or reducing exposure to stressful stimuli like fireworks or thunder. You can also create a safe space for your dog where they can retreat and relax when they're feeling overwhelmed, like a cozy bed in a quiet corner of your home. Routine is also important. Dogs thrive on predictability, so keeping feeding, walking, and playtime consistent can help reduce anxiety. Next, manage your dog's triggers. This means identifying situations that cause them stress and finding ways to avoid or reduce them. For example, if your dog gets stressed during car rides, try taking short, positive trips first and gradually build up to longer ones. You can also practice gradual desensitization by slowly exposing your dog to the trigger in a controlled way, rewarding them for staying calm. Finally, if stress is affecting your dog's health or behavior significantly, it might be time to seek professional help. A veterinarian can rule out any medical causes of stress, and a professional dog trainer or behaviorist can help you work through specific anxiety issues. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you feel unsure about how to handle your dog's stress on your own. Providing your dog with interactive toys or mental stimulation can also reduce stress. Puzzle toys or short training sessions can keep their minds engaged and help them feel more relaxed. If you start noticing these signs in your dog, take action. By being proactive, you can help them feel comfortable and secure in their environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on understanding and caring for your dog's behavior.